just swing my life.
Oh, he actually swings.
Yeah, he actually swings.
So are you married? Because I'm single. Me. You're married.
Yeah, very well.
Does she love you? She love you.
Very well.
Fuck off. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Do you own or rent a house in Lagos?
I own a house in Lagos.
You own? How much did you buy it?
3.5 billion.
3.5 billion. Okay. Can I go out to the house with you?
Oh, fine.
Can I get into your car?
Doors open.
3.5 billion. Now let's go see what a 3.5 billion naira house looks like. No, this is too mad. Jesus. How do people make such money? Thank you. No way. This is a house. You live here?
Yeah, I live here.
Are you not scared of living here? Like it's too much?
No.
Hey! Your auntie room?
My auntie room.
Really?
Yes.
Whoa.
The visitors guests living room. When I have friends, this is when I already sit down and
Are you
chill.
serious?
Yeah. And this is my main living room.
Jesus!
The 5-inch screen, which I never own. It's just there like that.
I'm done with influencing. Another one.
Another one. Then this is my mini bar.
Why? Hustle! In my head, I'm just thinking, is this a dining or a museum?
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Boy!
This is my guest room.
Oh my god. Another. Hey. How many rooms is this house?
It's around 6.
Whoa!
Study room for the kids.
Study room for the kids.
Yeah.
Study room for the kids now full self-con. My person they fight for Lagos.
This is a room.
Oh, this is so cute. This life.
And this is another room again.
Like every room is lit. I don't understand.
And let me take you to the cinema.
Cinema. I have a cinema.
Yeah, I have a cinema.
Oh my god.
This is where I spend most of my time.
The chairs are so soft. You can literally just balance.
Just one man. I don't see the master bedroom.
Let me see.
I have a mini kitchen here.
You have a mini kitchen in the room.
Yeah.
A mini kitchen is inside the bedroom. Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
But I don't know if my wife can check.
Mad. My blood is not rushing as it's supposed to. It's rushing into my brain. I don't understand this thing. This is the closet.
Yeah, this is the closet. It's customized to my wife's name.
Oh, customized.
Yeah. Upstairs was personal lounge, where we smoke shisha with my guys and just relax. But
Personal club. They have a personal.
upstairs.
They get personal club for the house. You have church in this house. Hey.
And just think about like.
Oh, he actually swings.
Yeah, he actually swings.
So are you married? Because I'm single. Me. You're married.
Yeah, very well.
Does she love you? She love you.
Very well.
Fuck off. The pool reach that side. Why is it? Why? Hey, I will never be poor. I will never be poor.
This is my guest toilet.
This is the guest toilet.
Yeah. Guest toilet. Then this is
Toilet.
This is my downstairs guest room.
Downstairs guest room.
Yeah.
Now people CEO room. People CEO. Some CEO cannot afford this one. I don't understand. What kind of thing is this? This is not real life when I video play. I don't understand though. My age, as in my blood is not even moving well. I mean I'm losing my answer.
On a good day, I be alone now.